Let's cook vegetable dish. Hello guys, welcome back to Creative's Kitchen, and today we are cooking another halloumi dish but with different ingredients. And here is our halloumi, and we're going to fry this halloumi. So we're gonna remove it from the packet, slice it in small slices and fry it. So here we are slicing the halloumi in a thick slice. As we slice these halloumi, we're going to fry them in some olive oil. So we got a few slices from it. Here we had some olive oil in the pan. As we place our halloumi in the olive oil to fry. Make sure they are placed nicely in the pan and on a medium heat. You fry each side of the halloumi on a medium heat for 2 minutes. Then we are going to turn them on the other side. So as we turn them on the other side, they're not thoroughly frying the first side, but we are turning them over and we're going to return them the second time. So now that we turned the halloumi on the other side, we're letting this next side fry. And we return them again on the following side. As you can see, this second side is properly fried, but the first one is not thoroughly fried. So we're making the second turn. Here we go. Now that these halloumi fry, we're removing them from the pan. So guys, as the halloumi is finished, we have some spring onion and we are adding the spring onion to the pan. We're gonna add some spinach with the spring onion. Just as simple and easy. So let the spring onion soften for a few seconds, then add your spinach. So now we'll wash our spinach leaf and add it to the spring onion. So we're let the spring onion and the spinach soften for about 3 to 4 minutes. We add a small amount of basil and some oregano to this spinach. And a pinch of salt. Just soften these for a few minutes. You don't want the spinach to be overdone, so you're just gonna soften them for a few minutes and remove them from the pan. Now that the spinach is finished, we're going to plate these out into plate, and this is the spinach with the halloumi, and our third we're going to put some mushy peas to eat up in the pan. So now we're going to add a tin of mushy peas to eat in the pan. Or eat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Guys, we have these bread, and we are going to put this bread in the oven for a few minutes, and this is to go with the vegetables. We're going to cut them in, or the meal that we have done. Now we're going to put this bread in the oven to bake for 10 minutes. I'm just putting them on my pizza tray. Now the bread are finished, we're going to put all the vegetable and the bread together, and you have a lovely, delicious vegetable dish. The spread we are using is dairy free. So now guys, here is the spinach, and we're plating out all the things that we make, the halloumi, the spinach on the plate. with the mushy peas and the bread. And this is the mushy peas. All you need to do is just warm your mushy peas with some black pepper. Did no added anything to the mushy peas, and your toasted bread, and add your spread on it. And here we go, we have a lovely vegetarian meal for you, and I hope you enjoy cooking this meal. Look at it, it's looking delicious and tasty. My word, this meal is delicious, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you do so, and halloumi with toasted with bread. And look at this delicious, tasty, simple and easy recipe to make. I hope you enjoy making this lovely recipe with me for vegetarian. It's a great recipe and it's also very healthy. You won't regret making these dishes, guys. And if you enjoyed this dish today, please don't forget to turn the thumbs up, like, click the bell, and subscribe to Creative's Kitchen. And if it's your first time in Creative's Kitchen, welcome to the channel. And I hope to give you another vegetable dish, quick and easy, cheap. It's only costs about £3. Thanks for watching.